Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personal assistant app with Siri. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred code editor. Create a new project in Xcode. Select iOS app and click Next. Name your project Personal Assistant App. Choose Swift as the programming language. Select Storyboard as the user interface. Next, set up SiriKit in your project. Navigate to your project settings. Under Signing and Capabilities, click the plus capability button. Add Siri from the list. Create an Intense extension for your project. Right-click on your project folder and select New File. Choose Intense Definition File and click Next. Name the file Intense and create it. Define your Intense in the Intense editor. Add a new intent and name it according to its function. Define parameters that the intent will use. Next, provide a sample response for Siri. Implement the intent handling in the Intense extension. Open the intenthandler.swift file. Override the method for handling your defined intent. Use the parameters provided in the request to execute desired actions. Now, switch back to your main app target. Import the Intense framework at the top of your View controller file. Add a method to request Siri authorization. Incorporate a button in your app to trigger the Siri request. Test your app on a physical device. Set up the Siri shortcut in your app. Use the INUA Add Voice shortcut button to allow users to add shortcuts. Create a user-friendly interface to guide users in setting up Siri. Run your app and check if Siri can handle the defined intents. Debug any issues that arise during testing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.